So coming down here, you have like various font combinations. So if you don't want to use any of these text to edit them to your preference, you can simply come down to these font combinations where you can see some stylish fonts, some cool fonts that you can make use of, and you simply click on any one that you need. But you should also note that they are like pro elements. So like this particular one is a pro element. So you have to be a Canva Pro subscriber to make use of this particular font template. Okay. So coming down here, you can see that there are a lot of font combination templates here, so you can make use of any of these if you don't want to stress yourself looking for fonts and editing one single font. Okay, so this for the text. So if you want to like add any text, a custom text, you can just come here and add from either you create a default style or you use from the font combination. Then if you have a specific font for a specific brand, that is you have a brand that works with just specific fonts. They don't like you using another font on that particular on their logos or something. You can add your brand fonts right here. Okay, you can add your brand font right here. So colors, this is like the whole brand kit, which I'm going to come to very soon. Okay, so coming down here, this is like where we call the brand hub. You can see this tab here. This is called the brand hub. Okay, so right here, like I said, I mentioned this earlier when you talked about the text. Okay, so in this text where you have the brand kit, so this is just basically like the main aspect. So if you have a company that they have specific set of fonts and colors that are meant to be used for their logos. Of course, if you're working with a brand, okay, you have to maintain that brand identity. So in order for you not to um use wrong brand colors for that particular company's logo, or I'm sorry, for that particular company's flyer. Okay, you have to ensure that you're consistent with the same colors every single time you're making logos for. I mean, you're making flyers for that particular brand. You have to be consistent. So if you don't want to always have to like be searching for the hex color of that particular um brand, so you simply just come here. So like this where the color palettes I set for um my brand, which was called Savili Tech. So these are the particular palettes I set up. Okay, so that is why if you come to this place, if you click here and try to change on the colors, you see this brand kit here. I can simply make use of any of these colors palettes that I saved. So they always show it as an option to me. Okay, so that's why you have to set up your brand kit, your brand hub. So if you want to set this up, you simply come here, add your brand logos. So they will require you to add your brand logo. That's upload your brand logo, which from there you're going to be able to select the colors. That's the color palette from that particular logo. So Canva automatically helps you to do that. So the moment you upload the logo, it shows you the color combinations that were used within that logo. So from there, you can be able to add them to your color color brand kit. Then you can also update the fonts from the fonts used inside the logo. Then if you also want to add specific icons for that particular brand, you can also add and specific graphics. If you want to add specific graphics for that brand, you can also add it too. Okay, so this is this for the brand hub. um so coming down here is basically where you have your uploads. So if you want to, let's say you get an image from an external site like unsplash.co. So for the other design, one of the designs I made, so I made use of this particular design. Okay, so after downloading this design from this site, I had to come here to upload this particular design. So you can see the design here. So I had to upload it. So I clicked on upload the file and then I selected the file and I uploaded it here. So Canva literally saves all the photos that you've used for design. It saves them to their database, which makes it a whole lot more easier for you. Okay.